Persona AI just raised a massive $27 million in pre-seed funding. And let's be honest, this isn't just a startup success story. This is a full-on warning shot for the future of labor. Because what Persona is building isn't some prototype in a lab. Their humanoid robots are already being trained to take on real, physically demanding jobs. And they're not just dabbling in automation. They're gunning for your entire engineering team. Welcome back, friends. Alfie here, bringing you another groundbreaking update. Persona AI's robot is coming for your job, and it's ready now. You're watching the AI Nexus, and as always, we're here to bring you every step of the future. Let's go. Persona AI is developing humanoid robots capable of working in some of the toughest environments you can think of. We're talking shipbuilding, heavy metal manufacturing, mining, welding, and complex industrial assembly. These aren't your run-of-the-mill robots shuffling packages in a warehouse. Persona's bots are designed to step into roles that are dangerous, expensive, and traditionally hard to automate. So, if you work in any kind of industrial setting, this isn't some distant sci-fi threat. This is very real, very funded, and moving fast. Let's break it down. This $27 million round wasn't just successful, it was oversubscribed. That means investors were practically fighting for a piece of this vision. Why? Because they see what Persona AI sees. A future where humanoid robots aren't a luxury. They're a necessity. Labor shortages are hitting critical levels. Workplace injuries are still far too common. And global supply chains need resilience more than ever. Persona AI is answering all of that in one fell swoop. Their robots don't need breaks. They don't call in sick. And most importantly, they're modular and adaptable. That's the secret sauce. Instead of designing one robot for one task, Persona's building platforms that can be customized and reconfigured based on the job. You need welding in a high-heat environment? Done. Precision assembly in a tight, awkward space? No problem. Structural reinforcement on a ship deck? Absolutely. What they're building is the functional equivalent of an entire skilled labor team, wrapped into a single, deployable, always-on machine. Think of it as engineering in a box, powered by AI and built to scale. Now here's the kicker. They've already landed a major industrial partner. Persona AI has inked a deal with none other than Hyundai, the global leader in shipbuilding. That's not a concept, that's a deployment plan. In fact, Hyundai is set to receive its first humanoid robots from Persona in just 18 months. That's not speculation. That's on the calendar. And if you're wondering what that kind of deal signals, it's this. The big players aren't just watching humanoid robotics anymore. They're investing in it, planning around it, and preparing to integrate it into their day-to-day operations. That's not hype. That's reality. Persona AI was founded in 2024, but it's already operating like a veteran company. Why? Because of who's behind it. The founding team includes Nick Radford, Jerry Pratt, and Jide Akinyode, names that carry serious weight in the robotics world. Nick Radford, the CEO, knows what it takes to scale ambitious robotic systems. Jerry Pratt, the CTO, is one of the most respected minds in humanoid locomotion and AI control systems. And Jide Akinyode, the COO, brings the operational and engineering rigor needed to actually ship this technology into the real world. Their approach isn't just about building cool tech. It's about solving real industrial problems with systems that work. It's about turning science fiction into day-one functionality. And here's where the business model comes into play. Persona isn't just selling robots. They're offering robotics as a service. That's right. Clients don't need to shell out millions up front to buy a robot. Instead, they subscribe to a service model that gives them access to high-performance humanoid workers without the capital headache. That's going to be a game changer for adoption. Smaller manufacturers, contractors, and industrial operations that previously couldn't afford robotics will now be able to integrate these systems seamlessly into their workflow. And let's not forget, this isn't a robot arm in a cage. This is a humanoid platform designed to work in spaces built for people. That means no tearing down and rebuilding your factory floor. These robots can walk into your world, just like a human worker would, but with tireless consistency and built-in safety protocols. Investors clearly see the writing on the wall. This round was co-led by Unity Growth and Tides Ventures, but it also included participation from heavy hitters like Mirai Asset Group, Invicta Growth, Fathom Fund, Embedded Ventures, Wave Function Ventures, Zero Infinity Partners, Goose Capital, SGH, Sound Media Ventures, Kalea Ventures, K50 Ventures, Co-Founder Ventures, Tola Capital, SGA Capital, Olive Hill Ventures, and K2 Global. This isn't just funding, it's a declaration. The future of industrial labor is going to include humanoid robots, and Persona AI is positioning itself to lead that charge. Let's zoom out for a second. According to Morgan Stanley, the market for humanoid labor could reach $3 trillion in the US alone. That's trillion with a T. And it makes sense. From logistics to construction, from repair work to hazardous materials handling, there are countless roles that robots could do more safely, more efficiently, and more cost-effectively than human labor. But the problem, up until now, has been capability. Most robots just couldn't handle the complexity of real-world jobs. Persona AI is out to change that. With human-like dexterity and machine-level precision, their bots can cut, form, and finish metal. They can weld in volatile or high-temperature conditions. They can carry out dynamic tasks that require real-time adaptability. We're not just talking automation. We're talking full-stack labor replacement. And for anyone worried this is bad news for workers, here's another perspective. These robots are being built to handle the jobs that are either too dangerous, too dirty, or too difficult to staff consistently. They're stepping in where humans either shouldn't or simply won't. The long-term goal isn't to displace people. It's to enhance productivity, boost safety, and close the labor gaps that threaten vital industries. Just listen to what the leadership is saying. CEO Nick Radford said, "We're deeply grateful to our investors, not just for capital, but for their conviction in a bold vision. These partners understand the scale and transformative potential of humanoid robot labor. This level of commitment reflects the magnitude of the opportunity and a trust in what we're pursuing which we don't take lightly." That's the kind of language you use when you know what you're building isn't just exciting, it's inevitable. And the investment community is clearly all in. Shankar Gupta Bodhu from Unity Growth put it perfectly. In the field of humanoid robotics, Persona stands out for tackling the most challenging problems in industrial labor. Their mission goes beyond automation. They're working towards building a safer and more efficient workplace. Mike Loritz at Tides Ventures added, "We're proud to back Persona pushing the boundaries of humanoid robotics. Their early traction with global leaders like HD Hyundai signals massive opportunity, and we're excited to support their bold industrial automation vision." This is the moment. It's not hype. It's not a concept car. Persona AI is building functional, deployable humanoid labor. And with $27 million in the bank and partnerships already underway, they're not waiting for permission to change the world. They're already doing it. The robots are coming. Not in a decade, not in 5 years, right now. So, whether you're building ships, laying pipelines, or assembling complex machinery, know this. Persona AI is designing your next coworker. And it's coming for the hardest jobs first. If you're excited, curious, or maybe a little uneasy, that's exactly the right reaction. Because the future of labor isn't theoretical anymore. It just got funded. Stay tuned, because this story is only getting started.